G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a giveaway for the channel. That's right, a giveaway, and we're not just giving away anything, we're giving away 2 phones from Mintt smartphones. So I'm really stoked to be a part of this giveaway, and it's going to be super easy to enter the giveaway. A couple of things I just want to let you know about Mintt Smartphones Australia, a bit about their history and who they are and all that sort of thing. So Mintt Smartphones are an Australian registered company, and they make great smartphones at a budget price. And a bit of history with Mintt Smartphones Australia. So Mintt Smartphones Australia is the result of 10 years of hard work from a particular family, and the person most involved in that was Jim Gooey, and he wanted to provide good technology at a great price to the Australian market. And that's where the idea started, and from there it's developed over time. And they didn't just target the Australian market, they also looked at Southeast Asia and Papua New Guinea and other places like that. And some of the ideas that they wanted to implement into this was up-to-date features, great quality and affordability. And I really think when you look at phones like the Ultra Mintt Y3 and what you get for the price, that's all wrapped up in this. What you're talking about there is what you get with the Ultra Mintt Y3. Now yes, Mintt are made overseas in other countries and then shipped to Australia to sell, but it is an Australian company. Now, a lot of people were like, this isn't an Australian company, their smartphones are made in China. Every smartphone's made in China, including Mintt's. Every phone comes with a 2-year warranty, and the Ultra Mintt Y3 is going to get Android 10 updates as well. So you're looking at good tech, up-to-date tech, confidence around a warranty, and I'd have to say that this is probably one of the best phones for the price that I've used to date. There's better phones on the market, there's no doubt about it, but the Ultra Mintt Y3 is a real ripper. And we're also giving away today as well the Cool Mintt A3. Now there's a couple of things you need to do to enter the competition. One is be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, can't really help you out. The other thing is follow CW Tech on Facebook, and I'll put a link down below, and also follow Mintt Smartphones Australia on Facebook as well, links down below. So if you are following both and subscribe to CW Tech, one of you will win the Ultra Mintt Y3, which is a ripper, and the runner-up will win the Cool Mintt A3. Look forward to seeing some comments, interaction, all that sort of thing on social media regarding this. Really happy to be a part of the giveaway, and I want to keep the Ultra Mintt Y3 for myself, but I'm not. I always like to give away back to my viewers and my supporters. That's it everyone, video over. Just subscribe to me, follow me on Facebook, and follow Mintt Smartphones Australia on Facebook as well. Love your work guys, appreciate it, keep coming back. Check ya.